Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. Today we are creaming a cake. So we are making Achari fresh cream cake. So we start out by making our condensed milk, which we'll use when whipping our cream. The video is up on my channel, you can check it out until the milk has reduced into half and thickened. Then add this to your whipping cream. You can add vanilla as I did. As you whip until it's thick enough and doubled in size. Here you can check the peaks. We are checking the stiff peaks here. I baked this cake at 180 degrees for 25 minutes and they are perfect. So now I'm going to cut them for easier layering and for the cream to be evenly distributed and so that the cakes can be perfectly moist and that to ensure all the parts are evenly creamed. So here are the colors that I chose. So the next thing we're going to do is to do the actual creaming of the cake. I actually covered it with the white frosting to make it neutral so that I can be able to decorate it with any other color that I wanted on top, and so that the acharis can come in handy and match well with the colors. So now we're just going to decorate the cake, or rather garnish, with the achari, which you just arrange them on top of the cake and just below the cake to give it that nice effect. And it surely is delicious as well. So this is the final look for my cake. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. For more videos, subscribe to this channel, share and like, and don't forget to leave a comment. Thanks so much for watching and enjoy. Bye.